Excellent. So we'll start sitting on the bolster as we most always do. And I'm gonna lower the music just a little bit. Yeah. So thank you for letting me know what's going on. It's always good to know and good to be aware. And yeah, always make sure you do what feels best for you. Pay attention to your body. Use your breath to ease and bring more awareness. The goal is to learn from our bodies, not to force them, right? Good. Yeah, let's just give a second for Marcia to settle in. I so appreciate having all of you here. So let's start with holding a nice long spine. Interlace your fingers, place your hands on the top of your head, press your hands down and press your head up and elevate your spine. And notice the difference and release. And then if you want to close your eyes or lower your gaze down to the floor, just notice your breath without changing anything. Feel free to release your arms down. And while you're finding your breath, I have this quote for you today. One of the kindest things you can do is be gentle and patient with yourself. Let's keep that in mind as we go through our practice today. And let's take a long inhale through the nose. Expanding the whole abdomen. And then exhale, open your mouth, relax your jaw. Long inhale through the nose. And exhale through the mouth. Feel free to make a sound. Release. And again, one more long inhale through the nose. And then very slowly, softly exhale through the mouth. Softening your whole abdomen. And then allow for your body to resume breathing at its natural pace. Gently open your eyes when you're ready. Nice. Inhale, look up to the sky. Exhale, chin to chest. Let's do it again. Inhale, look up to the sky. Exhale, chin to chest. Inhale, head to center. Exhale, turn your head to the right. And then continue breathing at your own pace. As you tilt your head to look up to the sky, a gentle twist with your neck. Inhale, release in the center. Exhale, turn your head to the left. And again, a gentle twist as you continue breathing at your own pace. Look up. And release in the center. Now inhale. And on the exhale, let's make a wide circle with the head, leading with the tip of your nose. And then change direction when you get back to center. and come back. Inhale, shoulders up. Exhale, release. Inhale, shoulders up. Exhale, release. Inhale, shoulders up. Exhale, release. Left arm out. Place your left hand by your right ear. Gentle stretch to the side. Extend your right arm out, fingers pointing up or down, or wrap around your back. Keep your shoulder relaxed. Release, switch side, right arm out. Place your right hand by your left ear, gentle side stretch. Extend your left arm out, and again, play with the position of your arm, relax the shoulder. And release. Right hand at the base of your head. Left hand press into the shoulder blade. Inhale. Exhale, tilt your head towards your right knee. Release. Switch side. Left hand at the base of your head. Right hand press into the shoulder blade. Inhale. Exhale, turn your head down towards your left knee. And release. Inhale, shoulders up. Exhale, squeeze your shoulder blades down. Inhale, shoulders up. Exhale, squeeze your shoulder blades. Hug your ribcage with your elbows. Nice. Inhale, shoulders up. Exhale, squeeze, 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 squeeze. And release. Wiggle, wiggle. Maybe shoulder roll just to loosen up, warm up. Yes, one at a time and then back. Nice. Interlace your fingers, place your hands at the base of your head. Inhale, press your head back, tuck your chin in. Exhale, release. Inhale, press your head back, tuck your chin in. Exhale, release. Inhale, press your head back, tuck your chin in. Exhale, release. Nice. Open your arms wide. Now let's move the shoulder one at a time, rolling forward while the other one rolls back, and vice versa. So opposite movement, rolling up and back, up and forward, palms up and down. Lift the shoulders and lower the shoulders. Yeah. Very nice. And release. Interlace your fingers, stretch your arms back. Inhale, arch your back. Exhale, place your hands on your right hip and explore the range of motion with your head in any way that feels good. You can just do yes and no. Gently, and those Rice Krispies or crickets are all good. Normal, normal. Release. Extend your arms back again as you inhale, arch your back, look up. Exhale, place your hands on your left hip and do the same again with your head, moving in any way that feels good. And release. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, shoulders down. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, shoulders down. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, shoulders down, arms down. Open your arms wide. Inhale, arch your back. Exhale, give yourself a hug, round your back. Inhale, open your arms wide, arch your back, look up. Exhale, switch side as you give yourself a hug, round your back. Inhale, open your arms wide, arch your back, look up. Exhale, cross your arms, eagle arms. Inhale, arch your back, lift your elbows. Exhale, round your back, elbows down. Inhale, open your arms wide, arch your back, look up. Exhale, switch side again for your arms. Coming together as eagle arms. Inhale, lift your elbows, arch your back. Exhale, round your back. Inhale, open your arms, and exhale, release. Good. How are we doing so far? Good. Nice. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, side stretch. Press the floor away from you. Breathe into your left hip. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, side stretch. Press the floor away from you. Breathe in your right hip. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, side stretch. Inhale, arms up, look up. Exhale, side stretch. Inhale, arms up, one more round. Exhale, side stretch. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, side stretch. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, arms to cactus. Inhale. Exhale, twist to the right. Inhale in the center. Exhale, twist to the left. Inhale in the center. Exhale to the right. Inhale here in the center. Exhale to the left. And once again, inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, arms down. Twist to the right. Say yes with your head. Say no. Inhale, lift your chest without creating any leverage with your hand on your leg in front. Exhale, complete the twist to the right. Again, easy, no forcing. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, arms down. Twist to the left. Say yes with your head. Say no. Inhale, lift your chest, easy hand. Exhale, complete the twist to the left. Inhale, arms up. Exhale. Nice. Now let's come down from the bolster. If you're sitting on the bolster, put it aside for now. Shake your legs. Let's bring some blood flow to the legs. Also roll side to side. Always keep drinking water. The flesh of your seat bones. Flat back. Nothing strenuous. Just forward fold. Your hands will land where they land. Take a breath here. And then do the lymphatic self-massage. Massage your legs, rather, 3 times on each side. The outside, the inside of the legs. Press the fingers into your flesh to make sure it counts. Bend your knees, massage the back side. Nice. And a gentle massage at the lymph nodes. Here at the groins. Nice. Very good. So let's move to tabletop. If knees are sensitive, you can use a towel under your knees. Or use a chair. I think we're good. Yeah. Let's do the fascia release first. So sit on your heels with your toes digging into the mat. And make sure you just apply enough pressure not to be uncomfortable, but just to have the chance to do a little fascia release. And just wiggle your pelvis side to side. So back to tabletop. To protect the shoulder, we roll the elbows to the outside, keeping the fingers pointing away from you, right? Yes, good. Let's make some wide pelvic circles here, arching around in the back. And changing direction. Good. Come back to neutral. We'll do our 3 cat-cows. Inhale, lift your head, arch your back, point your tailbone towards the sky. Drop your belly. Exhale, round your back. Inhale, lift your head, arch your back, point your tailbone towards the sky. Exhale, round your back. Notice if you press the floor away from you, you'll round the back a little bit more. Inhale, lift your head, arch your back, point your tailbone towards the sky. And exhale, round your back and start moving your pelvis back towards the heels, down. Bend your elbows. And then inhale, move your body forward. Come back to neutral. Extending your arms. Excellent. Now extend your left leg back. Point your toes into the floor. Stretch through the heel. Find your focal point on the mat for balance. Lift the leg just a couple of inches from the floor. And if it's available to you, extend the opposite arm straight in front of you, thumb up. And on the next inhale, elongate from the fingertips all the way to the heel. Exhale, crunch, elbow to knee, if that's available, or leave the hand down. Inhale, extend. Exhale, crunch. Inhale, extend. Exhale, crunch. On the next inhale, hand down on the mat, legs straight back. And exhale, bring the leg all the way across to the right side. Look over your toes towards your shoulder. Look over your shoulder towards your toes. And bring into the left side of your body, opening, lengthening. Now bring the leg back, bend your knee, and with the same leg open and close to the side if it's available to you. Always remember, listen to your body. And then with the same leg, make big circles with the hip in both directions. And come back to tabletop. Maybe make some wide circles with your pelvis just to keep the back, your spine warming up, unwinding. Let's repeat with the right leg straight back. Point and flex your toes and extend through the heel. Stretch through the heel. Find your focal point on the mat for balance. Lift the leg just a couple of inches from the floor. And again, if it's available to you, extend the opposite arm straight in front of you, thumb up. And on the inhale, elongate from the fingertips all the way to the heel. Exhale, elbow to knee crunch or place the hand down. Inhale, elongate. Exhale, crunch. Inhale, elongate. Exhale, crunch. Inhale, hand comes down to the mat. And the leg straight back. Exhale, bring the leg all the way across to the left side. Look over your shoulder towards your toes. And breathe into the right side of your body, the hip and the rib cage, your torso opening. Now, as you bring your leg back, bend your knee. And open and close to the side. And then make circles with the same hip in both directions. Back to neutral. Extend your arms forward and lean down, lean back in puppy dog. Engage in your shoulders, the muscle of your back. Release. Come back to all four. And we'll do the thread the needle, which is really good for the middle back and shoulders. Inhale, right arm goes up. Exhale, bring the arm down, brush across the mat behind your left hand, and lean into the mat with your right shoulder and extend your left arm forward. Breathe in your body sensations. Release. Slide your left hand under the shoulder, press into the floor. Come back to tabletop and let's repeat on the other side. Inhale, left arm goes up. Exhale, come down, brush across the mat behind your right hand and lean to the mat with your left shoulder and extend your right arm forward. Slide your right hand back under the shoulder, pressing to the mat. Come back to tabletop. And let's find our child pose. Toes together, widen your knees, slide your arms forward. And again, to engage the muscles along your spine, you might want to press your fingertips into the mat. And walk forward. Engage the muscles of your back as you walk your fingertips forward. Just for a breath or two. And then release into the mat. Now press your hands into the mat. Slowly come up to seated. Make sure you're careful if you feel any dizziness or anything like that when you change position. Good. So let's reach for our blocks. Raise the floor for us. Start with your right foot forward and slide your left knee back for your low lunge. Wiggle your tail, find your sweet spot. And release your hip flexors on the left side. Use your breath. And if you like, you can continue exploring range of motion with your head, moving in any direction that feels good. Release. Bring the blocks with you as you extend your right leg and flat back, lean forward, engage your hamstrings, and to bring some ease, you might want to point and flex your toes, see what works for you. Now turn your foot to the outside, IT bend stretch. Open the back of the hip on the same side. And release. Switch side. Left foot forward, bring the blocks forward as well. Slide your right knee back. And again, wiggle your tail, find your sweet spot. No discomfort, no pain, just a nice release. Breathe into the hip flexors on the right side and continue moving your head if you like. Release, extend your left leg, bring the blocks with you. Again, flat back, lean forward. Hamstring engaged, use your breath or point and flex your toes to make it easier. And then again, turn your foot to the outside, active bend stretch. And release. Now let's bring the blocks forward again and use the low lunge to stand up. Point your toes into the mat back there. Release the knee up and swing back and forth and feet together. Find your ragdoll. Engage your abs. Everything else is relaxed. Bend your knees and maybe reach for your elbows. Slightly swing side to side. And while you're here in ragdoll, if you're not feeling dizzy, then just gently shake your head. Say yes and no. That will help with the neck. Using gravity to release a little bit of the neck tension. On the inhale, halfway lift, flat back, draw the shoulder blades towards your tailbone. Exhale, release. Press your feet into the mat, bend your knees, and on the inhale, arms up, all the way up. Exhale, release, and shake, 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 shake. Good. We made it up. Yeah, good. So let's find that mountain pose. Your feet are hip distance apart. Your knees are slightly bent. Draw the belly button in. Release your tailbone. Roll your shoulders back. Palms facing forward. Find a focal point in front of you or close your eyes, whatever works for you. And visualize yourself as a beautiful mountain. With the energy of the earth traveling through your body and back into the universe. Beautiful, strong, resilient, nurturing mountain. Then gently wiggle your fingertips, shake your legs to come out of your mountain. Nice. Good. Now let's take a block and let's move towards the wall or a chair. or the countertop. Anything that will be your support. You have to walk a couple of feet from the wall, and you can step on the block with your outside leg, and the inside leg is free to swing. So we'll release the hip flexors and build the bone density on the standing leg. Very nice. Now let it come to a rest and give it a good shake. Shake, 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 shake. From the hip all the way down to your toes. Very nice. Make your tree, easy tree here at the base of your ankle. Very nice, yeah. And on the left, you have your arm all going up as you inhale. And exhale, crescent. Lengthening the hip. And release. Now we'll switch side. Yeah. Yeah, the wall is a little more difficult. Step on the block with your outside leg. Inside leg is free to swing. Your tree, yeah, this. Right arm goes up as you inhale. And exhale. And step down safely. And set it support to the side here. Come back to the mat. For warrior 2, with a soft knee in the back. Make sure your your bent knee doesn't pass your toes. Hands on your hips. Inhale, arms parallel to the floor. Strong arms in both directions. Palms up and down. Palms up and revolve into extended side angle. Lean on your thigh. Very nice. Now you can extend the back knee because you don't have your weight on it, so you can safely extend it. Reach. Good. Yes. Good, good, good. And strong arm pulls you up. Wide stand, toes pointing to the outside, tracking with your knees. Bend your knees, find your goddess, palms up. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, squeeze your shoulder blades and make a sound. Ha! Inhale, arms up. Exhale. Inhale, arms up. Exhale. Very nice. Now let's turn and find your warrior 2 on the other side. Yeah, perfect. Soft knee in the back, micro bend. Yes. Hands on your hips. Inhale, arms parallel to the floor. Strong arms in both directions. Find your inner warrior. Palms up and down. Relax the shoulders. Palms up. And revolve into extended side angle. Extend your back knee now. Take a breather here. And a stronger arm pulls you up. And shake it out. Nice. Now let's find our chair pose. Again, feet hip distance apart. Keep your knees parallel. If your knees tend to come together, you can use a block in between your thighs. Bend your knees, find the imaginary chair behind you, hence the heart. Nice. Inhale. Exhale, twist to the right, elbow to knee. Inhale in the center. Exhale, twist to the left. Inhale in the center. Exhale, arms down. Inhale, arms parallel to the floor. And if you want to spend a few seconds here, not a few minutes, you can do your lymphatic self-massage on your arms. Both sides, all sides of your arms. A gentle nudge under the armpits for lymph nodes here too. Nice little massage. Keep them awake and alert. And then swing your arms back, and on the inhale, come all the way up. Woo. Shake, 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 shake. Strong quads, independence muscles, right? Very good. So we'll use the low lunge to come down safely to the mat again. Using the blocks. Good. Sit towards the top of the mat. And use your abs to slow down as you lean back. Strong abs support the low back. Breathe, don't hold your breath. Come all the way down, bring your knees to the chest, give yourself a hug, and roll side to side. Gentle massage for your back. And release your feet on the mat, knees bent. Wiggle your shoulders so that your shoulder blades are flat on the mat, palms up. And let's take a couple of breaths here to release the back and the pelvis. Now walk your feet to the outside edges of the mat and drop your knees together in the center. And this is restorative for the hips. Bring your feet back to hip distance apart, knees bent. Place each hand on each knee and make circles in opposite directions, one knee from the other, to massage the hip sockets. And change direction. Now, knees together. Make wide circles with both knees together, engaging your abs. And changing direction. Come back with your feet flat on the mat, knees bent. We'll do the reclined pigeon pose. So let's start with your left leg up in the sky. Place your left foot on your right thigh and flex your toes to protect the knee. And if it's available to you, reach behind your right leg with your interlaced fingers. Inhale, exhale, bring your legs closer to the chest. Inhale, release forward. Exhale, bring your knees, bring your legs closer to the chest, and maybe press your left elbow into your left leg. Inhale, release. Exhale, bring your legs closer, and again, press your left elbow into your left leg. Inhale, release. Release your right foot on the mat. Keep your legs crossed like you have them now. Your left arm goes out to the side. Your right hand on top of your left foot. And bring your legs all the way down to the right. So you basically create a twist with your pigeon legs. And if you need to, you can use a block or a blanket or a cushion to support your legs. Your left shoulder is on the mat. And take a couple of breaths here. Release, bring your legs all the way back to center, uncross your legs. Just notice your body sensations here. And let's repeat on the other side. Right leg up, place your right foot on your left thigh, flex your toes. Again, if it's available to you, reach behind your left leg. Inhale. Exhale, bring your legs closer to the chest. Inhale, release. Exhale, bring your legs closer. Inhale, release. Exhale, bring your legs closer. And you might like to press your elbow into your right leg if that's a deeper stretch that you welcome. And then on the inhale, you place your left foot on the mat. Your right arm opens to the outside. Your left hand on your right foot and bring both legs all the way down to the left. Roll your head to the right. And take a couple of breaths here. And slowly bring your legs back to center, uncross your legs, feet flat on the mat. And just notice your body sensations. Now, bring your legs up and bend 90 degrees with your knees and your feet flexed. Nice. Bend your knees 90 degrees. Yes, like that. Perfect. Great. Inhale, and on the exhale, bring your legs to the left, just enough to strengthen the muscles of the back. Come back to center on the inhale. Exhale, bring your legs to the right. Keep them parallel. Inhale in the center. Find your happy baby. Playfully rocking yourself side to side with awe, curiosity, and gratitude for all that your body can do. And now release your legs down. Maybe give yourself a hug or make any movement that feels good. And then prepare for Shavasana. Use your bolster to support your legs and relax your back. Take a long inhale through the nose. Exhale, open your mouth, relax your jaw. Bring your awareness to your breath once again. Visualize your breath gently smoothing any tension of your body, releasing. And then start gently wiggling your toes, wiggling your fingers. Bring your knees to the chest and roll all the way to one side. Enjoying a couple of breaths here with your eyes closed. When you're ready, press your hands into the floor to come up to seated. Bring your hands to the heart. And say to yourself, thank you for making the time to practice today. Namaste.